I'm talking here with Yarin Baron. He is from Blink Energy, and which is a completely unique company. They make batteries, not batteries for EV, but they make batteries for the eyelid, for contact lenses in there. And it's basically an idea. It's a little box like that, and you open it up, and it has a little patch which you put on your eyelid, and it can be charged, and it can feed energy to lenses, and the lenses can do all kinds of things. They don't make them, but they just feed they make a micro battery which can be on your eyelid. Quite unique. So Yarin, this is unbelievable small. How much can it power a lens, for how long, and what can the lens do?
It can power multiple kind of lenses. Thank you for asking me. The lenses that we're speaking about can be divided in two categories. So we got the categories of contact lens or smart implants, as we call them, for medical use. And in that field, we've got sensors that can do monitoring and diagnose. So for that condition, we can provide energy for one charging cycle to provide energy for a week and more. Okay. But the beautiful thing about that is not only the charging part, it's the communication, able us to get data out of the contact lens on our Blink patch to a smartphone, and the physician and the patient will have real data in real time.
So you want to say there's an energy in there in that little patch, and there's also an radio, it communicates with the lens, and it also has Bluetooth to go to the smartphone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All in this teeny little box. No, so
in the patch.
No, sorry. This is the charging box. This can charge it a couple of times, but all in this little patch, which fits on my eyelid.
Yeah, it fits on your eyelid, definitely.
And it was very light. I felt it, and that was okay. So how did this idea to make a energy communication platform for a patch to connect to contact lenses? How did that come about?
It came from my partner and co-founder as well, Dr. Ziv Rothvogel. He's an ophthalmologist. I'm the CEO. Our third partner is Nadav, which is the PhD, the brain. I'm only the look, by the way.
Yeah.
So the idea...
The talking head who basically has to connect everybody together. Yeah.
So the idea was that as a physician, he was looking for a solution to measure IOP pressure in the eye. And when he looked on what was in the field and in the market today, there was humongous energy batteries that you need to put on yourself. The patient will have to go with that, with Blink, with huge antenna that you attach to your eye, just to glasses that looks horrendous. So the idea came from him that he saw the need to power those lenses in a different way, and through this 2 years of development, we achieved something which is really remarkable in my point of view, honest. And
in all your modesty, you think it's pretty brilliant what you've made.
But I'm really proud of my team and what we accomplished so far. And from the market, we get really great feedback from those manufacturers of contact lenses saying, "Oh, we were looking exactly for that technology to approach."
Yeah, we all know the Google lens. About 8 years ago, I had it on my slides, but I never saw it materialize. It was a nice idea, but it needed communication, needed battery. Okay, we're now. How old is your company now?
2 years.
3 years, and where?
2 years.
So 2 years, and you are part of this of the incubator MindUp. And what have they done for you?
Well, I think it's an amazing platform for us to use, since we are in that incubator, being able they've been able to provide us the funds from the IIA, which is Israeli Innovating Authority, and the second thing is that all the support that we get, and all the opening door that we get, and the investor that we met, and the brainstorm that we get all together, this is a very fruitful environment, and that helps us a lot in that stage, especially with early companies that don't know what to do, how to approach legal, accounting, agreements, all of that to get under one umbrella. It gives you confidence along the way.
Wonderful. After 2 years, you've got the 750,000 from the incubator, and what is your total investment capital now?
$2.3 million. We received $1 million from private investors, which is a strategic alliance company called Cyber from United States.
So you have your feet into America already?
Yeah, yeah, and what they do, it's amazing. They got an implant that does augmented reality with a nano display by Samsung, which is, and they needed the power, and that's where we are.
Okay. How far are you from having this product, you know, go off the shelves? Because the idea is that you can just buy this for how long, how expensive will the product be, and how long will it take before it's on the market?
It will take us an additional 2 years to have a product on the market, which is very fast, by the way.
Sure.
This is very fast.
I'm not complaining.
This is very fast, especially for a medical company. The hurdles of having deal with regulation, deal with compliance, dealing with clinical data are not there.
Yeah.
They're not there.
Yeah. So you need technology needs to be good, and the whole RegTech needs to be done. Okay. So in about 2 years, we'll see this product coming to market. What kind of applications do we have? You know, we want to measure things, and in order to do diagnostics. Any application which you think will be used the most for?
I think that in the first stage we'll see this application being adopted in the medical field, doing diagnose, doing even monitoring, as we know, and even treatment. Even treatment, I believe that it will be very close to that. We've got slow released system which are embedded in contact lens or implants, and we even got some in the market, some contact lenses that do treatment to reduce IOP pressure, for example. That would be the first implementation of the product itself. I see the future in 5 years from now, what we call the metaverse, the augmented reality, virtual reality. I less believe that will be the future, but I do believe that something with enhanced vision capabilities will be there. Okay. Like texting, like, you know, while you're taking your bicycle, for example, in Holland, you will see on your contact lens, take right, take left. Things like that might be very, very close to the market thanks to Blink's technology.
Thank you very much. Good luck.
Dank u wel.